I'll be there very shortly, but I need you to get started without me. So as you can see, I have you in larger groups. Today we were supposed to do a share out and do a Q&A. We're still going to share out our projects, but we are not going to do the question and answer aspect. So what I'm going to ask you to do is open this document and immediately share your Persia chart with the people in this group. So for example, Joseph and Anthony are going to share their Persia chart for the Inca with Maya, Ava, Zoya, and Megan. Right? This is going to require you to unsubmit your project for a minute so that you can share it with your group members. Once you have shared out your Persia charts, I want you to review the other two civilizations. So Joseph and Anthony would look at the Aztec Persia chart and the Maya Persia chart and compare what they know about their civilization, the Inca, to what Zoya and Megan wrote about the Maya and what Maya and Ava wrote about the Aztec. Right? So this is the first step. I want you to spend about 10 minutes looking over what is going on as far as your civilization versus the other two. And then at 10 o'clock, this comparison paragraph will open on Google Classroom. What I'd like you to do is write a paragraph where you compare your American civilization with one of the other two. So if I did the Maya, I'm going to compare it to the Aztec or the Inca, right? You are going to compare them in just one area. What I mean by that is just one factor, one specific comparison between the two civilizations. So maybe it is how they met their economic needs through trade. Maybe it's how you're going to compare the adaptation to the environment from the Aztec to the Inca. How did they adapt to their environment? Similarly, differently, did it both help them be successful? You could compare them in aspects of importance of religion, right? But you're only going to compare them in one area. Think Persia chart. So think of Persia. You can compare them in any one of those: achievements, social structure, religion, economics, political structure. Okay? You are to write your paragraph here. This is how you will be graded. At 10:10, your America's quiz will open. So when we look here, right? So the last thing that it will open up at 10:10 is the quiz on the Americas. I need you to finish your paragraph and the quiz by the end of the period. I should be in the building by 10:10. Okay? Everything will be posted and drop at specific times. All right? I will see you shortly, hopefully.